Hello everybody, let's look at Pixaloop. Pixaloop is an app and it is to add movement to your photos so it could really bring out your social media. So let's download it and let's go and tap on it. Here we go. We're just going to ask for a new creation. So we're going to go in here. I already have a picture of a beach. Well, there we go. Looks nice. Now, you want your picture to actually have some way of movement. So make sure the picture that you use would be something that would normally move. So let's go to animate down here in the corner. And once that picks up, you're going to see a lot of other little options. Path is one of the most important things. So we're going to use our path, and let's say the water is going to be flowing this way naturally. Right. We'll put a little water back there. And then let's make the clouds move kind of in this direction. And to test it, just hit the play button. There we go. We have our movement. So let's stop this now. If you're going to go along a little bit, you're going to see the freeze option. Hit the freeze option. What this does is give you the option to freeze parts of the picture. I'm going to freeze the horizon because I think it just looks more natural. There we go. Got the clouds moving and we got the water on the beach moving. It's that easy. After a while, you can dig into some of the other options. You can add some rain if you want. You can add lightning, whatever you want, guys. So enjoy Pixaloop. It's great. It'll bring out some movement in your pictures and explode your social media. Everybody have a great day.